If one day there's a complete power outage, no gas, no stove, it's cold, the house is pitch black, how would you keep warm? Today, I'm going to make a 3-in-1 heater from extremely simple materials, no electricity, no gas, and designed for real emergency situations. This heater isn't for display. It's for long power outages, fuel shortages, cold weather, or in the forest, in a shack, in a place without infrastructure. Low fuel, still fire, still heat. I'll start with a metal tin can. First, deal with the valve, release the pressure. This step is mandatory, don't be careless. Then I'll drill a central hole, install a metal threaded shaft as a test backbone for the heater. Next, I'll cut and shape the casing and drill small holes around the body. These holes are the stove's breathing passages. Too few and the flame will die. Too many and it will waste fuel. Everything has a reason. This is the most important part, the wick. I use thinly pressed medical cotton. Cotton has the advantages of good fuel absorption, even burning, and easy to find in everyday life. I make a hole in the middle, separate it into many thin layers, stack them on top of each other. Each layer holds the fuel, distributing heat more evenly. The wick is threaded through the shaft, compressed to fit comfortably, not too tight, not too loose. Finally, I tighten the nuts to secure it. When the stove is hot, if you can't hold it, it will be very dangerous. I use old corrugated iron from the roof, cut into 2 pieces to make handles. Drill holes and use rivets to attach it directly to the can body. The rivets are heat resistant. They won't loosen when the stove is hot. Then I attach the wick to the body, adjusting it tightly, right in the center. A properly sealed combustion chamber helps to stabilize the flame and make it safer. Now for the most important part, lighting the fire. I slowly pour the liquid fuel onto the cotton wick. It's denatured alcohol. Don't pour quickly, so the cotton absorbs it evenly. The cotton holds the fuel inside, preventing the flame from flaring up. Ignite the flame right in the center of the stove. The flame catches gently and stabilizes very quickly. The blue-yellow flame shows that the stove is burning correctly. I bring my hand close. The heat is evenly distributed, not burning. After only a short time, my hand is noticeably warm. Place a small pot on top. The heat is concentrated straight on the bottom. No need for a large flame. The water still heats up. I measured the temperature. The heat rose steadily, no fluctuations. Low fuel consumption, but the heat is excellent. This stove isn't a replacement for a modern stove, but when everything else is gone, the electricity goes out, the gas runs out, it gets cold, it works. And sometimes just a small flame like this is enough to keep warm, to cook, and to get through a cold night.